Hello, my name is Arya Luther Hanosian. I am from Genius School. My topic research is antibacterial effectiveness test for hand wash extract of natural material. Mango skin Mangifera indica against Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus. Introduction. Mango is used only to the meat to eat while the skin is removed. In fact, mango peel contains 3 times as it feels. So it can be used as antibacterial in making hand wash. So in my research, I make a hand wash from natural mango peel. Aim. This study aims to determine the hand wash formulation from natural mango peel extract and the antibacterial effectiveness of the hand wash against Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus. Formulation of problem. The first, how is the right hand wash formulation of mango peel extract from the organoleptic test pH and potential irritants? Second, how effective is the antibacterial hand wash against Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus? Literature review. First, hand wash. Liquid hand soap or hand wash is soap for cleaning made using a saponification process using the addition of other substances that don't cause skin irritation on the hands. Second, content of mango skin. Based on the research of Kim et al. 2010, mango peel shows the number of flavonoids is the 3 times higher than the mango pulp and also have the characteristic of moisture, so it can be used as antibacterial in making hand wash. The third, bacteria. Staphylococcus aureus are bacteria that are composed of irregular groups such as immobile, drawn from spores like grapes. Escherichia coli bacteria are a family of bacteria consisting of several relate species of bacteria that are most closely related to one another. Research methodology. In research design, this research was conducted in a laboratory experiment that was carried out in the Genius School laboratory in August until October 2020. Instrument. The tools used in study were a blender, knife, measuring cup, Erlenmeyer, petri dish, watch glass, steering rod, filter panel, barrel dropper, pH meter, digital scale, stirrer, bucket or container, filter paper, packaging bottle, aluminum foil, autoclave, test tub, stop or spirit, matches, scissors, thermo, laminar, plastic wrap. The ingredients used are mango peel extract, phosphate buffer, Texapon and HCl, dyes, perfume, beef, aqueous, and sugar. Variables. The dependent variable in the study was the antibacterial activity of Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus. The independent variable in this study was mango peel extract. The control variable in the study was washing hands with tap water. Procedure, there are, the first is extraction of mango peels, and the second, hand wash preparation. We can see the first and the second procedure. The third, antibacterial assay. Samples which are liquid soap with the addition of mango peel extract were evaluated to see the antibacterial activity against Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus bacteria. Data analysis. Research data analysis includes organoleptic test, pH test, and antibacterial activity test. Result and analysis. In the result and analysis, there are extract of mango peels, hand wash preparation, and in the organoleptic test result, there are table 1 organoleptic test result. There are SOP 1, SOP 2, SOP 3, and SOP 4. And tell about observational includes color, consistent, smell, and form. There are figure 1 of mango peels hand wash formulation. pH test result. In the table 2 pH test result, SOP 1, SOP 2, SOP 3, and SOP 4. We can see in the figure 2 pH assay. Antibacterial assay. There are procedures for conducting the antibacterial assay. Table 3, antibacterial assay. There are antibacterial assay and figure in the antibacterial assay using a pour plate. Conclusion, the hand wash formulation from mango peel extract can effectively be used for all variation of the extract formulate because it meets all the hand wash testing criteria. The best antibacterial activity test was shown by the hand wash formulation with mango peel extract 10 milliliter proven by the formulation being the most inhibited. Future work, it is necessary to carry out sensitivity testing on the skin to ensure safety in the application of hand wash, and further testing of the antioxidant content of the mango peel extract is necessary to support the added benefits contained in it. Thank you and goodbye.